Following the cleaning process, the walnuts proceed to the crushing unit where they are broken down into smaller pieces. This enhances the efficiency of oil extraction by increasing the surface area exposed to heat and pressure. The crushed walnuts then move to the cooking stage. The core component of the production line is the oil press machine. It uses mechanical force to extract oil from the cooked walnut pieces. Modern presses often employ advanced technologies like screw pressing or hydraulic systems to achieve higher yields while preserving the natural characteristics. The crude oil undergoes filtration to remove solid residues and impurities. Finally, the refined walnut oil may be subjected to additional processes such as deodorization or winterization depending on the desired end product specifications. Throughout the entire production line,